Action.
We are Magic Documents. Magic Documents creates and organizes documents.
Take 201.
We are Magic Documents. Magic Documents creates and organizes documents. We're document automation for small businesses. When I first became a lawyer, I was dismayed to find attorneys still put client information in every document using cut and paste. Sophisticated document assembly was to scan all the parts, print them out, resort them, rescan them, and then reprint. Attorneys are still doing this. As a former computer girl, I knew we could do better. So I asked my two best friends, Ed and David, for help with a solution.
Now, I'm one of those strange people who occasionally builds databases in my spare time for fun. But in this case, I figured somebody else must have already solved this problem. So my first reaction,
Well, that's okay. One thing is
Yeah.
we're not in this frame correctly.
What's centered there?
So
I need to
do
go-
I need to
I need to go
reset?
this way?
Actually, I'm not centered.
Well, we can move the.
Okay, right there. And I've got that nice thing sticking out of my head. Okay,
you want me to move it?
And now you're red.
now I'm ready. Give it a second. It should redo it.
Well, normally if I step back, the red goes.
There you
There
go.
it goes.
All right. We should actually probably make a cue mark where we're exactly the same. Take a pause, and then when the next person starts, that we could splice it together if we had to.
Oh, deliberately take a pause in between? We can do that.
Well, I have a cue mark because my foot's on top of this.
Okay.
That's where I've been planting myself
You're so smart. That's why your mommy calls you son.
because I'm brilliant.
We are Magic Documents. Magic Documents creates and organizes documents. We're document automation for small businesses. When I became a lawyer, I was dismayed to find that attorneys still put client information in every document using cut and paste. Sophisticated document assembly was to scan the files before printing them out, resorting them, rescanning, and then reprinting. Worse than that, attorneys still do this. As a computer girl, I knew we could do better. So I reached out to my two best friends, Ed and David, and asked for help with a solution.
Now, I'm one of those odd people that occasionally builds databases in my spare time for fun. But in this particular case, when Amber asked me about this, I said somebody else has to have already solved this problem, and we should just find out who's already doing it. But after a great deal of research, the only thing we could find was a handful of companies with very complex programs marketed towards very big companies that were not user-friendly and out of our price range. The kind of companies where when you look at their pricing page, the only thing they list is how to contact a salesperson. So we made our own program instead. And Magic Documents is the program that Amber's office is using today.
And we've used it for years. I could not run my law office without Magic Documents.
Now, most businesses don't have a friendly neighborhood database designer. They do have customer databases and documents they repeatedly recreate, but with no way to use their data to automatically create those documents. That's what Magic Documents does. We make document automation easy, like Dropbox makes off-site backups easy. Now we want to make Magic Documents available to other businesses. The market for business process management solutions is projected to reach $10.7 billion by 2019. Small businesses will need to automate to stay competitive, but they don't have an easy or affordable solution yet. We're going to reach that untapped market because we are that solution. We are Magic Documents. And cut.
I thought that one was pretty good.
Put that one in the
good.
can.
Let's be done.